Hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Spotify and that is a growth associate role. So they are hiring you through a early career program and the job location will be Mumbai. So here you can see that Spotify is seeking for someone who is motivated and enthusiastic and you will be joining their growth team in India. So then they are hiring through this early career program and this will happen for 24 months. This program will happen for 24 months. So then if you scroll down, you can look at the things what you will be doing here. So you will support the development and execution of the growth marketing campaigns across various channels that is relevant to Indian market. So you will be developing and executing the campaigns like you can do it on Instagram, YouTube and anywhere to promote the brand. So then you will be assisting in analyzing the campaign performance and identify the key trends and provide the data driven insight to optimize the growth strategies. So you will be looking after the things how the campaign is actually going and you will be finding the key trends. So in Instagram, in a month or in a week, the trends change, right? So you will be thinking of those things and you will be implementing that is suitable for you. For you, like for you means the for this brand. So then you'll be collaborating with the cross functional team like marketing, international growth, strategy, proposition, analytics. So if you collaborate with other teams, you'll be knowing what is happening from their side, what needs to be improved, what you can do in the campaign. Then you will contribute and explore to new growth channels, statics, and other things that is suitable for Indian audience. Like you will be exploring the new trends and you will be trying it. Like it will be experimental things. So you'll be trying, and if it works, you'll be having a good growth there. Then you will support and manage the vendor relationship. Then you will assist in creating the reports and presentations, and you'll stay updated with the latest trends and best practices and all other things. So here is the thing that is most important: who you are. So you should be an undergraduate or a postgraduate degree holder with 0 to 2 years of experience in demonstrating a strong interest in user and revenue growth. Then you should be highly motivated, self-starter, a strong desire to learn and all other things. Then you should be analytical and detail oriented. Then you should know the basics of Excel and it will be a plus. Then you should possess some good communication and interpersonal skill, and you should have the ability to collaborate effectively. Then you should be organized and able to manage multiple tasks and comfortable working in fast-paced environment, passionate about music, podcast, digital media, and familiar with Indian digital landscape and consumer behavior. That will be a big plus. So you should be based in Mumbai, and then you will be given like a hybrid work model where you will be working in person and also in remote. So you just need to click on apply now here. Then you will update your information. The links have been asked like LinkedIn, GitHub, portfolio, and other things. Then you just need to scroll down and look at the thing like qualification. They are asking if you are from Mumbai office or what is your current location, and if you are not from Mumbai, are you ready to relocate? Then you can just scroll down and they are asking for a demographic survey that you can just choose where you are from and click on submit application. So this is the process. If you are looking for the link, you can check it in the description. I have provided there. And if you have any doubts, you can actually reach out to us in the comment section, ask any doubts, and also let us know the feedback and what are the videos you need. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.